This is the most important product I have ever talked about. And I think it is the most important product on the planet today. iHerQles is so totally different. It is 100% plants, but so different. This is a brand new technology. What they were able to do with these plants is they were able to go into the quantum structure. You know, people say, what does that really mean? If you just look up quantum, quantum means packets of light. So they've been able to go into the quantum structure, the light level of these plants, 44 of the most powerful plants on the planet, and locate, isolate, and remove what I call the mother molecules, the highest frequency, most active, and restorative parts. That word restorative is really important. You know, if you look at the capital letters in iHerQles, HRQ, stands for health restoration. We are restoring our health. And they say Q stands for quotient, but you know, I really think this means quantum health restoration. That says so much. So they were able to find these mother molecules, and that's what goes in this spray. And when you spray this in your mouth, the body responds to this and relaxes and opens up. And it opens up the circulation and the microcirculation. When inflammation is the cause of aging, when the circulation and microcirculation are able to open up, inflammation can go away. You know, so, and it's cleaning the blood and stimulating the stem cells, and we're reversing our biological age. This is the product of the century. I used to say it was a revolutionary product. Now I'm saying it's not. It's an evolutionary product. You know, when you hear people having conditions that like reverse really quickly, it's like, you know, it opens up, gets nourished, everything starts coming back into the way it was meant to be. We were meant to be healthy our whole lives. And this is our answer. A big percentage of the science team are quantum physicists. Everything about this is totally new and different, new technology. You know, this is not just 44 plants mixed up in an extract. This is the highest and the best that you can put in your body. If you do 4 sprays under your tongue 3 times a day, you're keeping it in your bloodstream all day long. And if you do that for 4 months, it's a blood upgrade. Every blood cell in your body will die, and a new one take its place in that 4 months' time. And if you're keeping this in your bloodstream all day long, every new blood cell is going to be formed in the presence of these high frequency molecules, and they'll take on that higher frequency. They'll take on that information from nature, and they'll take on that high level nutrition like we've never had in our bodies before. This is a gift to us. And I am just so grateful that I was shared this information early on. And I feel like this is my responsibility to share it with you. This hits at the root cause of aging and age-related issues. There is nothing better than this. Call me, call the person that shared this video with you, and let's make this the best year we've ever had. Let's reverse our aging and our aches and pains and problems and do what we're meant to do. Let's make this the best year yet. But I look forward to talking with you and hearing what happens in your body as you use iHerQles. Blessings for your health. Bye now.